Class 10 children, today we will again revise GST. Now I will take a new question today, and my question is, the manufacturing cost of TV is rupees 15,000. The manufacturer sold the TV to a wholesaler at a profit of rupees 1,000. So a manufacturing company of television, they manufacture a television for rupees 15,000, and after manufacturing, the company or the manufacturer sells the TV to the wholesaler and they keep a profit of 1,000. That means their manufacturing cost is 15,000, and while selling they sell it for 1,000 in 1,000 profit. That is, they sell at a price of 16,000 rupees. The wholesaler sold it to a trader. Now wholesaler selling it to a trader at a profit of 1,000. Wholesaler also, so that means wholesaler will sell to trader at a price of 17,000. If the trader sold it to the customer at a profit of rupees 1,500, so now trader selling to customer for a profit of 1,500, that means almost 18,500 rupees. Now find total GST collected by state government at the rate of 28%. So you have to find total GST, that is 28% is the GST rate, but you have to find GST collected by state government, which we also say SGST, and you have to find the amount that customer paid for the TV. That means final price you have to find. Now solution, you can see that there is a chain. The question is in a chain system. So first is manufacturer. So for manufacturer, his CP was 15,000 rupees manufacturing cost, and while selling 1,000 profit, so 16,000 rupees. For wholesaler, CP will be 16,000. Why? Because manufacturing selling it to the wholesaler, so 16,000 rupees. So his SP will be 1,000 profit, so 17,000. For trader, CP will be 17,000 because wholesaler sold it to trader. So that means SP of wholesaler is the CP of trader, and his profit is 1,500. So he is selling at a price of 18,500, and at this price customer buys. That means this is the price, final price at which customer is buying. So customer has to pay GST. So taxable amount will be this, rupees 18,500. As a rate of GST given in the question is 28%. So we can say amount of GST will be 28 by 100 into taxable amount, that is 18,500. So 5,180 will be our total GST. Now number one question asks, find state government GST, that is SGST. So we need to divide it by 2 because equally it is divided among state government and central government. So we have to divide by 2. So 2,590 will be our answer. And final price, that is at which the customer has to buy or customer paid for the TV, is taxable amount plus GST. This is GST and this is taxable amount. So when we add, 23,680 rupees is our answer. Question is in a chain system and long question, but very easy to do. Next question, Anil went to a shop to buy a bicycle costing rupees 10,620. The rate of CGST is 9%. Let me remind you, if CGST is 9%, then overall GST will be 18%. Why? Because CGST is the half of overall GST, because overall GST is divided among central government and state government equally. So we can say now GST will be 18% because CGST is 9%. He asked the shopkeeper to reduce the price of bicycle to such an extent that he has to pay 10,620. So he is asking discount on this, and Anil is saying to the shopkeeper, please, I will pay this much only, 10,620, but including GST, not only as a list price. I want to pay this particular price as a whole including GST. Now find the reduction, that means what is the discount needed in the price of bicycle. So here we can say, let the taxable amount of bicycle be rupees X. because this is not a taxable amount, because there is going to be a discount. So taxable amount, you consider it X. Rate of CGST 9%, so rate of GST will be 18%. Amount of GST, now GST will be 18 by 100 into taxable amount. So 9x by 50 is our here particular expression we have got. Now final price of bicycle, we can say taxable amount plus GST. So taxable amount is X, and this is our 9x plus 50 is our GST. So when we do LCM and all, 59x by 50 is our answer. So we can say Anil paid 10,620 as a whole including GST. That means taxable amount plus GST is this much. So now we can say this is also taxable amount plus GST. So this amount is equal to 10,620. And here when we make X alone, then 50 goes up and 59 comes down. And when we simplify, we get it 180. So 180 plus 50, when we add it, when we multiply it, then we get it 9,000. So 9,000 is our taxable amount. So taxable amount of bicycle is X, and X value is 9,000. So discount, we can say the discount was actually 10,620 was the actual price, where now 9,000 is the taxable amount. That means 1,620 rupees is the discount on the cycle. Next, last question, let me discuss on this. The manufacturer produces television set at a cost of 32,000. He sells it to distributor at a profit of 2,000. Distributor sells it to a wholesaler at a profit of 2,500, and wholesaler sells it to a retailer at a profit of 3,000. And finally, retailer sells it to the consumer at a profit of 3,500, and the rate of GST is 18%. So you have to find the final price, that is final amount, and total GST. So children, let me remind you, just now the question which I began today, that was a chain system question, where I spoke about a question of television. It is same question. So I am going to supply you the answer of this question, very easy. Here we will take different cases and our answers will come. So children, you see all these question answers, and very easily you will get all the answers. So I am going to supply the answer of these questions in PDF form. You see it, and really it's very easy chapter. You learn and do the homeworks given by me. Thank you children.